you like to watch cricket match?
Yeah, I like to watch the cricket matches.
Okay. Uh, who is your like? Which is your favorite team and why?
In
In the
IPL,
yeah, not IPL in like international.
internet. Yes, I watch the international matches and I like to watch the cricket and I'm supporting the Indian cricket.
Right. Who is your favorite player and why?
I like to watch Rohit Sharma's batting
Okay.
and whenever he bat, I like to watch the cricket match
Very good. Why do you like Rohit Sharma?
because his aggressive nature and how he play and how he hit sixes and he's a sixer hitting machine.
Right. People called him Hitman, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I think he is a man of talent and people appreciate his batting. And I think he has broken a lot of record in the history regarding six. Even he left behind Chris Gale, McCullum. So that's great. Uh, can you tell me just few lines about Rohit Sharma?
In a one line, I have to say he's a destroyer.
He's a destroyer, but can you say five six line? One line is not enough. Six seven lines like Rohit Sharma. When was he born? How many brother sister does he have? What does he do? Right? Tell me about him a little bit. Six seven eight lines.
Sir, he born in a Nagpur.
He was born.
He was born in a Nagpur and he was playing for Mumbai Indians. And now currently he is a captain of the Indian cricket team with two Asia Cup champion also. He, under his captain.
Okay. Do you like to watch movies? And what kind of movies do you like to watch?
Yeah, I am a big fan of movies and I like to watch a blockbuster, also historic movies and also documentaries movies.
Why? Wow. Can you tell me any movies you watched recently?
I recently watched a Rocketry movie and I like to watch that movies.
What movie did you watch?
Rocketry.
Rocketry. Right. What did you learn in that movie? What message did they give? Any message, or it was like fictional movies?
It was a fictional movies
Okay.
and it depend on the person. He is a scientist in ISRO. He is our scientist and he movie whole upon in a Nambi Narayan and his lifestyle and how his situation tackle, uh, how many struggle.
So you can say that I watched a movie last month, Rocketry. It was it was fictional movies, sci-fi kind of movie. So I watched that movie.